Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video I am so excited to be doing another product review for YoSonic. They had reached back out to me wanting to do another unboxing and product review, which is a two-tiered plant stand. And I'm excited to do this one. It is sturdy and stable, rust proof, easy to install, sturdy for indoor and outdoor use.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking?
But here is the directions. They look pretty easy to install.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride.
It comes with all the screws and everything you're going to need to install, and plus the little tools that you're going to need. And it comes with the little screwdriver and wrench that you need to tighten up all the screws. And I'm just getting the bottom legs put on, and I'm going to tighten up the screws as I go. But overall, this was super simple and easy to put together. I had no issues putting it together at all. And it's super cute too. I love the little birds. But it took me about 5 or 6 minutes to actually put this together. So it took no time at all to assemble it, and it was so fast and so easy to do.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where
So I just put this two-tiered plant stand in front of this window beside my TV, and I am loving it. It looks so good. And I will leave this linked down below if you guys want to go and purchase this. I am loving it, and I am sure you guys will love it as much as I am right now. But I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.